How can you cancel Surfshark and stop recurring payments? Now, canceling your Surfshark subscription and stop recurring payment depends on whether you're signed up directly through the website or via a third party. If you've used or if you've subscribed via Surfshark website, you just want to log into your account at mysurfshark.com. So you just want to type in mysurfshark.com. So here it is. You want to tap open the first link that pops up, log into your account. So once you're logged into your account, you then need to go to account overview at the very top. This is where you will be able to find your subscription section. So once you go to the subscription from a drop-down menu, navigate to Payments tab and find or locate Cancel Auto-Renewal button and follow the prompt to confirm it so. And if you've used a third-party app, and if it is a Google Play Store or an App Store, you just want to make sure to go ahead and open your settings on your iPhone or an iPad. Now this is for those iOS users, right? So you want to open up your settings on your device and go ahead and tap open or tap onto your iCloud ID. Underneath, you will be able to find subscription, and there as well you will be able to find all the subscription that you have, and you could also find among the list Surfshark. Just simply tap on cancel and that's it. Now for the Android user, you just want to go ahead and open your Play Store, tap onto the U section from the bottom right, and then you want to go to the profile at the top. There you have payments and subscription. Under this, you can find subscription, and this is where you're supposed to locate your Surfshark subscription. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.